think of our crackdown caravan? Hey, what do you think about it? You like it? I was working up in Wodonga and the caravan was just another 1,000 kilometres up in Newcastle. So I thought, why not? Let's go and get a cheap caravan. $2,000 round, 2,000 kilometre round trip. We could make that work. But it's like, it was cheap, it was rough. But someone's son was living in here next to a house for 2 years, 16-year-old or something, I think. And his mates just bong sessions. Back wall of the caravan was a dart wall that literally some of those holes go through the outside. There's cigarette butts and an old bong under this seat. Yeah, half of these doors are just punched out. The locks are broken. Like, just had a rage fit and just like punched them out. It's sticky. The carpet's disgusting. You probably shouldn't even be sitting on this seat, really, should you? That's pretty gross. I think we're gonna call this caravan the Crackdown. Crackdown Makeover. What do you think? So, moral of the story, don't let your daughter or son, who's in their teenage years probably, not this young, live in a caravan next to a house. And if they do trash it, make sure you get the difference in money back, because this guy bought it for, I think he said he paid 15 for it, and it was in good condition, and we got it for under 6, so half your money gone. Kids, disgusting. The other thing I forgot to mention was, as they were playing darts in here and smoking bongs, you coming up? Come on. They were also wrestling, and the oven that I took out before, probably before I started filming any of this stuff, they'd smashed the front of the oven out. Glass everywhere, so that hole was just like vacant. It's a kind of a clean slate to work with, and I feel bad about taking any of this apart. Do we? Right, so you're going to make a camera holder out of these janky pieces of wood because I can't actually work in there and film it. So I'm going to make up a really janky camera holder and then probably buy a better one later when I figure how much this one sucks. So we'll do that, I think. Flash forward to a done camera holder. Done. Let's give it a go. Not that I need it now. So what we've done already is just gut the kitchen, so probably should have recorded doing some of that stuff, but it was pretty easy. This stuff just like 4 screws straight up for the sink. I'm cutting out. It had 240 volt, had mains water and pump water from the tank, so that was just a hose to the outside of the caravan. That was a 12 volt pump which someone had cut out. Pump was in the corner, I guess, and bridged the lines. I've got those 2 taps, I kept everything, so we can reuse it later. So plan is to take this, as much as I can of this off. I was going to take it all off, but it's all glued, so I want to reuse these drawers and faces and everything. So take as much of this off as I can with a jigsaw and use that as a frame to put the new top down onto. I'm gonna have to get a spade bit so I could start the hole there. Keep going in that section. And check out the sky out here. It's dark. So, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I guess we'll find some leaks. What a mess. Anyway, that's the bulk of that center bit out, I guess. I mean, there's a sink there and a toaster, but that's 2 holes done. Let's lighten up a bit of weight. Same thing over there. Like, take that strip out as much as I can because I don't need it. And then just keep this front bit, which is super strong, like it's boxed in pretty good. That's just going to be the front lip support. We're just going to literally put the new tabletop down on that. I thought it'd be easier than just trying to break it apart, because if you start pulling this up, it's all glued and stapled. I think this face just rips apart. So I've got to, we're painting and filling all this stuff in anyway, but it's just easier for me to keep it as a support for the bench top, and you know, the bench comes up like 20 mil, it's not a big deal. Oh, it's raining. Maybe I'll turn the heater on. Alright, it's getting dark outside and I'm hungry, so I'm going to finish it up. A bit of a mess, but huge hole for some new goodies, more money to spend. But that's it for tonight. Look at that. Dark, rainy, horrible. See you next time. Out.